So my husband and I decided to go ahead and update the bathroom. We had not made any changes since we moved in. We've been here for just almost 3 years now, and I just literally could not live with the ivies along the walls and on the medicine cabinet any longer. So we decided we took a trip to Home Depot. We spent about $170 the first time around, and then we had to go back for some additional supplies and spend another $30 that second trip. So just under $200, we were able to transform the way this bathroom looks, and I am so pleased. At this point, we're about 95% done because I still need to go back in and touch up where the painter's tape ripped up, and I still need to get the glass inserts for the medicine cabinet and for the window, to go ahead and get, just fresh and clean inserts for that. And then I want to purchase a few decorative items, but I am so happy with the way things turned out. If you are a home DIY kind of person, or you like to watch these kind of videos, stick around and watch the rest of watch this small space transform. I mean, it looks so different. It looks so much modern now, so much more modern now that we just made the few little changes that we did. But stick around. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Hey y'all, I just wanted to show y'all my progress for the day. Hold on, let me flip the camera. Alright, can you see? All the walls have been painted. We were able to put the mirror back up. And then I started doing the tile. Whew. So this is just with the thin set all the way around the bottom border. And then I ran out. So you can see, you can see where I ran out. So I need to go back to Home Depot and get 2 more sheets. And I think I'm gonna tell Ian while he's there to go ahead and get, to take this with him, this one with him, and this one. So that we can go ahead and get those cut. And I just want, like, he can even, like, whatever's cheap, he can even buy, like, just real glass, and I'll buy, like, spray paint to frost it. But it looks good. Not bad for a day's work. All right, let me get this thing closed.